ito sa Omega talaga. Hanggang efficacent oil lang talaga ako. Hindi.
Tingin ko may papasok ulit. Ikaw?
Ayoko na talaga mabottom first. Ano ba kulang sa akin?
Hindi ko alam.
Kuya Ranjit, ano kulang sa akin? Bakit ako palagi nabobottom first? Pero highest ako sa lahat ng bottom 4. Talagang kulang na ng... May kulang.
I don't know, I can really assess. I mean, kasi iba rin yung sinasabi ng judges, sasabihin ko sa'yo, wala rin. Mas magaling sila tumingin sa ganyan.
At saka sila, nakikita nila yung every little ano, no? Utot naman yan. Huwag mo hawakan. Huwag mo takpan.
Ang natakpa kami, ganun ako.
Hours by hours, lalo lang tumatagaan yung agony. Bawat oras na dumadaan.
You always, but you still have to go through the voting.
Yeah, I know that. Kaya nga.
Kasi I remember si Bonnie at si Chivas, pinuntahan pa sa ospital.
Yeah. I don't want another day, another... I go home. I want to be with them now. That's all. I want to know what's happening. I want to comfort my wife. Some people will magagalit sa akin or ano. Masabihin, maarte lang ako.
Anong arte doon? Wala kaya ilagay mo sa situation.
I don't care. Wala akong pakialam. Wala akong pakialam. Because they're the most important thing in this life.
When it comes to your family, are you kidding me?
Nobody's more important than my loved ones and my wife and my kid. Ross left at last time Monday. Pero that's a different case naman kasi. He was talking to Sir Monet. Sir, tingin nyo, aalis ba ako? Ganyan. Mine, isang ganun, pop. No. I never told anyone, just Chris and you guys. But the whole academy knows about it because of this.
Yeah, but Sir Monet...
No. Hindi niya alam. Kaya nga, until now, parang naaarte siya sa akin.
Hindi. Actually, hindi pa nagsisink in. Biglaan.
Kaya nga, nakikita ko sa mga parang arte nito, parang ganun. Ang daming kadramahan na ano. Kung galit naman siya sa akin, wala. Tulay do, magaling ko. But still, bottom line is yun nga, yung family ko importante, hindi naman. If the people will hate me for that, if the ABS-CBN or the Academy will hate me for that, still, wala naman ako magagawa. I tried, I prayed, I sacrificed. Wala. I'm just a human being. Kaya when they asked me like yesterday, they asked me, so what do you want to do now? I want to go home now. Okay, but you have to go on something.
Hindi na kamay ka sa Omega?
Sa?
Omega. Nanasabi ko si Krishna. Hindi. Hindi to.
Yeah. Sensitive.
Siguro they'll let you go tomorrow.
I can feel it nga parang mamaya. Isahan na lang. Like the cameras are all there and stuff. Diba, last because tomorrow you're gonna go to class, to Direct Joey's class and stuff. Ano ang gana?
I don't think papaabutin nila sa ganun.
Yeah, because I don't have gana sa talaga, I swear. Academy people, Direct and everyone. Ayoko na. Yeah, I'm gonna look like stupid. Baka magalit pa si Direct Joey sa, baka pagalitan pa ako. Sabi niya, baka isipin pa na ang arte-arte ko because I'm going out like Ross, but hindi kasi alam ni Direct siguro. Well, probably now. Alam niya ng story. Just wanna go.
Siguro napapanood ka ng wife mo.
I'm trying to visualize and trying